My dearest brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods. We're coming to you from the heart of downtown Berkeley, a center of learning, innovation, and creativity. One of the greatest universities in the world happens to be located here. And today we're going to be creating a blueberry cheesecake, a live, organic, raw, and no bake, but of course. And we will start with making the crust. Why not? And we'll start with the pillar of our business, our alive, organic almonds. Almonds are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with nutrients and vitamins, including vitamin E. And of course, they've been grown in the alluvial soil of the Great Central Valley, once an inland sea, and watered by water originated in the melting snow in the high Sierras. So here we go, our almonds grown by a very, very special farming family of 5 generations on the land. Intentionality is everything these days. That's our secret ingredient. So let's begin. Let's begin with some of our magnificent almonds. And how about some walnuts, also grown by a family farmer here in California? These walnuts are just magnificent. You can't stop eating them. And pecans, created by a family farmer in Texas. And our pumpkin seeds by a family farmer in Oregon, so much different from those that you find in natural food stores, all of which come from China. Pumpkin seeds. And let's add some, we've chopped up some medjool dates to bind things together. And let us add a bit of this wonderful neem honey. And how about some Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt to bring out, to elicit the flavors. Okay, very good. How is it? Doesn't that look so scrumptious and delectable? In other words, our almonds, walnuts, pecans, pumpkin seeds, a bit of honey, and bound together by medjool dates. So let's put this in the freezer. And let's start with a bit of spring water to get things going. And how about some chia seeds? Chia seeds have a wonderful way of binding things together. And now, for our Living Tree Alive Organic Cashew Butter. And what about some medjool dates? Medjool dates, these are chopped up. They're a wonderful sweetener. So medjool dates. Some of our flame raisins. This is grown in California, but of course this is a large raisin. So much more flavorful than your usual Thompson seedless. Okay, and now let's add some almond flour. Bit of honey. Our Vermont maple syrup. Bit of vanilla extract. And of course, our Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. And how about a lime? And let's give this a whirl. Alive Organic Sesame Tahini, another pillar of our business. Yeah. And now let's take our crust that's been in the freezer, and here we have our crust. So let's put the filling. Let's add the filling to the crust. Where the world is going in a different direction. I've just heard that that they're into artificial milk, for example, created in a laboratory. No need for a cow, for example. The world is going, and of course, the statistics on childhood diseases and on obesity, which are shocking, simply tell us the story of the wonderment of all this. So it's such a pleasure to march to the beat of a different drummer with alive, organic, and vivacious food. My privilege indeed to share with you. So here we have our crust, and we have our first layer, and we're going to make a second layer right now. And we'll do this. We'll start once again with our cashew butter. Indeed. So here we're putting our and now we're going to add some of our tahini. And now, but of course, a bit of honey, bit of maple syrup, vanilla flavor, a lime, and our Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. And then we're going to be, since this is going to be a blueberry cheesecake, let's make the second round. We're going to make the second round filled with blueberries. So we'll have a white layer and a blue layer. Seems to me it needs a little bit of water, and let's add also our almond flour. Okay. So here we go with our blueberry layer. Okay. And now how about topping it off So here, my dearest of friends, we have it, a blueberry cheesecake, vital and streaming and alive with life forces. That's what it's all about. Our privilege to share, but of course, so we're going to put this in the freezer to help it solidify. So we'll do this. So my dearest, here is our blueberry cheesecake, created right here in the heart of Berkeley. From our hearts to yours, my dearest brothers and sisters, a privilege to share with you. Let's take a slice and see what it looks like. So here we have the two layers, the cashew layer and the blueberry layer, our tribute and celebration of springtime. Let us give praise and thanks, and let us go forward, my dearest. Comments and suggestions are treasured by us. You might want to hit the subscribe button and maybe even give us a like down below. Thank you. We want to hear from you.